Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, veteran actor Chiwetalu Agu has been arrested by DSS shortly after being released by the Nigerian Army. Let's check out the story. The Actors Guild of Nigeria on Friday said the Nollywood actor Chiwetalu Agu has been picked up by men of the Department of State Services. The AGN President Emeka Rolas revealed this in a telephone conversation with a newspaper. According to him, the actor was arrested by the secret police shortly after he was released by the Nigerian Army. Rolas said the AGN is aware that the DSS had picked up Chiwetalu Agu after the Nigerian Army arrested him. He further said they are currently working on securing his release. You'll remember that soldiers on Thursday arrested the actor around Upper Iweka Bridge in Onitsha for wearing an outfit with Biafra inscriptions. Agu was reportedly on a charity mission to the less privileged when he was arrested by soldiers. The Nigerian Army in a statement had said that the actor was arrested while inciting members of the public and soliciting for support for the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra. The army had also said the actor dressed in the very well-known attire of the proscribed group, adding that he was being questioned. However, the army was said to have released the actor on Friday before he was then again picked up by DSS. Let's check out the video of his encounter with the army as well as his release.
And you are now promoting insecurity. Look for another tool for him.
See, no, I can wear this. My vehicle is parked at the center of up.
No worry, that one.
Hold on. So, this is rising. This is sun. This is rising sun, not Biafra, not Eastern Security Network. Do you understand? So, with my education, I know areas to go, areas not to go.
And you are now
for you to be videoing all this. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. So let's listen to the facts. They know how to react to the facts. This is the
implication of this.
Rising sun. Me, I believe that.
No, 30 minutes. So.
I was right.
Gather people.
Well, this is just civil dress. For you to be.
Come this way.
I was buying bread, 10,000 naira bread, sharing the one.
Come this way.
No campaign, nothing. Sharing bread, 10,000 worth of bread. When they came.
Thank you. Mr. President sent me here yesterday because of the problem the army had with Chiwetalu Agu. I am here at the 82nd Division, Nigerian Army Headquarters in Enugu. This is Chiwetalu Agu. Mr. President Emeka Rolas, this is Chiwetalu Agu. He is hale and healthy. Nothing happened to him. He is accepted with the army and he is actually a happy man. Do you have anything to say to him?
Keep on supporting knowledge. It's the only hope, the only beauty we have to sustain both our public and our private lives.
Well, we'll bring you more in line with this, as we do not know for sure what is happening, where he is right now, or what the DSS has to say about the arrest of the actor just after he was released by the military. We'll bring you more in line with this. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.